In November 2022, FTX experienced a major collapse, sending shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. The collapse triggered a dramatic plunge in crypto market charts, reflecting a significant loss of value. Billions of dollars were wiped out as a result of the sudden downturn. Sam Bankman-Fried became a central figure amidst the ensuing financial scandal. The events set the stage for investigations and increased scrutiny of the cryptocurrency industry. Early crypto trading visuals represent the initial stages of the cryptocurrency industry. The emergence of the FTX logo signifies a new participant entering the crypto market. FTX's entrance marked a period of increased competition and innovation. Animated growth charts illustrate the exchange's rapid expansion in the crypto space. The growth charts also reflect the increasing trading volume handled by the exchange. This expansion highlights the dynamic nature of the early crypto trading environment. Venture capital firms initially showed strong confidence in FTX's potential. This confidence led to substantial financial backing for the company. Funding deals were finalized with investors. The logos of prominent venture capital firms highlight the significant investment FTX received. FTX employed a marketing strategy centered around high-profile sponsorships. These sponsorships included prominent branding at sports stadiums. This approach aimed to increase brand visibility and recognition. The strategy sought to build public trust through association with popular sports and events. Celebrity endorsements are a common marketing tactic used to build trust and credibility. Companies often leverage celebrity status to influence consumer perceptions. This strategy aims to associate the brand with the celebrity's positive image. Widespread marketing campaigns amplify the reach and impact of these endorsements. The polished presentation in advertisements enhances the illusion of trustworthiness. However, celebrity endorsements can sometimes create a false sense of security for consumers. Political donations are sometimes used to gain influence. Attending events and meeting influential figures can help shape regulatory landscapes. These actions can allow companies to have more control over policy. This influence can lead to favorable treatment or legislation. The FTX headquarters presents a facade of cleanliness and modernity. This polished exterior obscures the potential risks inherent in the company's operations. A lack of transparency may exist beneath the surface. The visual presentation contrasts sharply with allegations of internal mismanagement. This juxtaposition highlights a potential disconnect between outward image and internal practices. FTX and Alameda Research are distinct entities with intertwined financial relationships. Funds were transferred between FTX and Alameda Research. The flow of funds between the two entities suggests potential conflicts of interest. These financial interactions are complex and require careful scrutiny. The scene depicts the fraudulent misuse of customer funds through animated flowcharts. These flowcharts visually represent the movement of money being diverted from its intended purpose. Red warning symbols are used to highlight the illicit nature of the money's movement. The animation reveals the behind-the-scenes activities associated with the fraudulent scheme. This visual representation aids in understanding the complex process of fund misappropriation. The scene aims to expose the deceptive practices employed in the misuse of customer assets. FTX's collapse was partly attributed to a lack of robust internal controls. Data streams and visuals symbolize the complex data environment within FTX. The absence of proper oversight mechanisms contributed to the firm's downfall. Effective risk management protocols were allegedly missing from FTX's operations. This lack of control allowed for potential misuse and mismanagement of funds. The server room setting underscores the technological aspect of these control failures. Risky trading practices involve high-stakes financial transactions. These practices often occur in fast-paced, high-pressure environments. Such trading strategies carry the potential for significant financial losses. Visuals and effects can highlight the volatile nature of these trading activities. Leaked balance sheets of FTX reveal significant discrepancies. These discrepancies indicate financial irregularities within the company. The irregularities highlight an unstable financial position. This unstable position presages the company's impending collapse. Withdrawal counters surged rapidly on the FTX platform. This increase was triggered by a significant loss of user confidence. Customers urgently attempted to withdraw their funds. The scene depicts a state of panic among FTX users. The surge in withdrawals reflects a crisis of trust in the exchange. Users were likely reacting to news or rumors impacting FTX's stability. The animation depicts a bank-run scenario at FTX. This illustrates the mass withdrawal of assets from the exchange. The withdrawals triggered a liquidity crisis for FTX. The crisis ultimately led to the downfall of FTX. due to a domino effect of lost confidence. Bankruptcy headlines signal a critical turning point for FTX. The official filing marks the end of FTX's operational existence. This event triggers significant legal and financial consequences. The bankruptcy announcement initiates complex legal proceedings. Financial fallout includes asset liquidation and creditor claims. The situation demands thorough investigation and resolution. The collapse of FTX has triggered widespread emotional reactions among its users. Social media platforms are flooded with expressions of anger and disappointment. These reactions highlight the real-world impact of the event on individual investors. Many users are expressing feelings of betrayal and financial insecurity. The intensity of the reactions underscores the significance of FTX in the crypto market. The event serves as a stark reminder of the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. Sam Bankman-Fried faces arrest and formal charges. The courtroom imagery signifies the commencement of legal proceedings. This phase marks the beginning of the justice system's involvement. The proceedings aim to address the allegations against Bankman-Fried. The scene underscores the pursuit of justice in this high-profile case. Government buildings represent the location of criminal investigations. These investigations are related to the FTX scandal. Trials associated with the case may also occur here. The setting underscores the gravity of the charges involved. The trials highlight the potential consequences for those implicated. The legal proceedings aim to address the alleged misconduct. The FTX collapse highlights the critical need for transparency in financial operations. Accountability is paramount to maintaining trust and stability in the market. Reflective visuals symbolize the importance of learning from past failures. These lessons are crucial for preventing similar incidents and fostering a more secure financial environment. Stabilizing charts indicate possible recovery in the crypto industry. These charts suggest a potential path towards reform. The stabilization offers a subtle note of hope. This hope is directed towards the future of the crypto market. Recovery and reform are key to the industry's long-term viability. The scene is set in a dark, abandoned office, symbolizing the downfall of FTX. Dim lighting enhances the atmosphere of abandonment and loss. Dust particles floating in the air visually represent emptiness. The overall imagery conveys the consequences of the FTX collapse. Footage from an early crypto conference showcases the initial vision for FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried is featured presenting his plans for the exchange. The scene captures the early excitement and optimism surrounding FTX. The presentation highlights the initial promise of the cryptocurrency exchange. This event marks a key moment in the early history of FTX and the broader crypto industry. The FTX trading floor was a central hub for the company's trading activities. Traders actively monitored screens, displaying market data and executing trades. The trading floor was indicative of FTX's rapid growth and market presence. Trading activities on the floor contributed to the company's revenue generation. The Alameda Research Office contrasts sharply with the polished image of FTX. The office environment suggests a chaotic and potentially risky operational culture. This disorganization hints at possible lack of oversight within the firm's trading practices. The scene implies a discrepancy between public perception and internal realities at Alameda Research. The animation depicts alleged loan transfers between FTX and Alameda Research. These transfers suggest a diversion of customer funds. The visualization emphasizes the close relationship between the two entities. This interconnectedness raises concerns about potential conflicts of interest. The transfers are presented as animated sequences for clarity. The animation symbolizes the absence of effective risk management at FTX. This failure highlights the company's inability to foresee potential dangers. It also demonstrates the lack of strategies to minimize these threats. The scene underscores the critical importance of robust risk assessment in financial institutions. FTX allegedly engaged in money laundering activities. The purpose was to conceal the misuse of customer funds. Money laundering involves disguising the source of illegally obtained money. This process makes it appear as if the money came from a legitimate source. The alleged actions highlight the severity of the criminal conduct. Social media platforms are flooded with posts from disgruntled FTX users. These posts reflect widespread anger and frustration following the exchange's collapse. Many users express a sense of betrayal due to the loss of their investments. The online environment captures the immediate emotional response to the financial fallout. Users share stories of personal losses and express concerns about the future. The collective sentiment online highlights the significant impact of the FTX situation on individual investors. A public protest unfolds outside FTX headquarters. The demonstration reflects widespread anger and calls for accountability. Protesters are responding to alleged fraudulent activities by the company. The scene underscores the tangible repercussions of the company's actions. The protest highlights the public's demand for justice and transparency. It symbolizes a collective effort to address corporate misconduct. Sam Bankman-Fried is currently facing criminal charges. These charges are directly related to the collapse of FTX. His court appearance marks a critical stage in the legal proceedings. The proceedings aim to pursue justice in the wake of the FTX collapse. Congressional hearings are convened to investigate the FTX collapse. The hearings aim to identify regulatory failures that contributed to the collapse. A key focus is understanding how these failures enabled the FTX collapse. The investigation highlights the necessity for enhanced oversight of the cryptocurrency industry. The ultimate goal is to implement stronger regulations to prevent similar incidents in the future. Regulatory documents reflect increased scrutiny following the FTX collapse. These documents highlight ongoing regulatory reforms. The reforms aim to address vulnerabilities exposed by the FTX situation. A key objective is to prevent future instances of fraud and mismanagement. The regulatory response seeks to strengthen oversight and accountability in the cryptocurrency sector. The FTX collapse involved the sudden bankruptcy of a major cryptocurrency exchange. Financial analysts provide expert commentary on the causes and consequences of the collapse. Key lessons are being learned about risk management and regulatory oversight in the crypto industry. The path forward involves enhanced security measures and greater transparency for crypto exchanges. Decentralized finance. DeFi aims to provide greater transparency in the crypto industry. DeFi enhances security compared to traditional centralized systems. DeFi offers an alternative to centralized exchanges. DeFi leverages blockchain technology to create open and permissionless financial services. Users have more control over their assets and transactions within the DeFi ecosystem. The shutdown of servers symbolizes the dismantling of FTX's operational infrastructure. This action represents a significant step in ceasing FTX's business operations. The server shutdown signifies the end of FTX's digital presence and functionality. It underscores the finality and irreversible nature of the company's collapse. The scene visually represents the termination of FTX's technological backbone. This infrastructure dismantling marks a critical point in the aftermath of FTX's downfall. Crypto exchanges must adopt robust risk management practices. These practices are essential for protecting customer funds. Sound financial management is a key component of risk mitigation. Effective risk management enhances the security of digital assets. This ensures a safer trading environment for all users. The FTX collapse raises significant ethical questions regarding the cryptocurrency industry. It prompts examination of the responsibilities of key individuals involved in FTX. The collapse necessitates a critical evaluation of corporate governance within FTX. It also forces reflection on investor protection measures in the crypto market. The incident highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in digital asset management. Ultimately, the FTX case serves as a catalyst for broader ethical discussions in the financial technology sector. Reflective visuals of a calm ocean symbolize stability. This imagery highlights the need for resilience in the crypto industry. The scene aims to evoke a sense of peace. It provides tranquility amidst the chaos often associated with crypto. The visuals serve as a reminder of the importance of balance. A call to action urges viewers to seek increased transparency. It also encourages demands for greater accountability from crypto exchanges. Viewers are empowered to actively influence the crypto industry's trajectory. This participation helps shape the future regulatory landscape. The FTX logo fades, symbolizing the end of an era for the company. The collapse of FTX had a significant and lasting impact on the cryptocurrency industry. This event marks a turning point, prompting reflection on ethical practices. The scene evokes a sense of closure regarding the FTX situation. It also encourages a renewed commitment to ethical conduct within the crypto space. The aftermath of FTX serves as a reminder of the importance of responsible financial management.